guys, and today I have a card trick called the Card Kingdom. Okay, so I'll tell you a story about it. So one day I had the Heartland and the Diamond Land and the Spade Land and the Club Land. Okay, they were very peaceful. One day a Joker, bad Joker, came out and they attacked the Heartland and they attacked the Spade Land and they attacked the Diamond Land and they attacked the Club Land. Joker was very powerful and they was very strong. And please cut the deck, and this is a complete cut, and they can just cut it many times as they want to until they're happy. And let's say at this point they say stop. So we stop cutting, and these four lands are talking about how to kill the Joker. So they think about it and they had an idea. And their idea was, I think that was a brilliant idea. Their idea was one pile having 4 aces, and one pile having 4 kings, and one pile having 4 queens, and one pile having 4 jacks. So they attacked the Joker, and the Joker died. So this is my story about the Card Kingdom, and this is a mathematical trick. They can cut until they die. You can, and it's a mathematical trick, so you can just follow me doing it. And thanks, and let me think. No, sorry. And thanks, and bye.